Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery in your 2024 to 2025 Hyundai Elantra key fob. This key fob takes one CR2450 battery, and if you need to purchase one of those, we'll provide a link in the description below. And so to do this, we will need the key fob and a small flathead screwdriver. And the first thing we're going to do is find this tiny slot that's on the side of the key fob. We're going to put in our screwdriver and twist gently, and you can see it'll start to open up. And then we can slowly take our screwdriver along the side and twisting it until it pops apart, and you can take your fingernails and pull it apart. This top piece will come off, exposing the battery. And this battery can be a little bit difficult to get out because this plastic rubber rim here. But if we push firmly on this side of the battery, it'll start to rise up over this rubber ridge. But if we just go underneath the battery and pry it up a little bit, and then continue pushing from the back side gently. You might have to do this a couple times till the battery clears the rubber seal completely. And just slowly push it out. There it goes. And depending on your key fob, it might be a little bit easier. On that one, didn't really want to come out. But once your battery's out, get rid of your old battery, take your new battery, and you'll slide it in the same way and press it in until it seats and you can hear it click. Then we will take the back plate, put it back on, squeeze it until it snaps together, and you can test it. The green light turns on at the top and you're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out your battery. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.